Whether you have 1 night or 6 months to prepare, you can learn and master ACLS fast and actually enjoy the process. You'll find that we make learning ACLS simple. We also make learning PALS simple. Learn more about PALS here. If you find yourself running a real code or just taking your ACLS certification, you'll know what to do and how to do it with no anxiety and no second guessing yourself. To begin, register through the sign-up link at the top or on the left below the header. Healthcare providers can receive 8 free CEUs for completing the ACLS Interactive Course Guide. This short video will show you how you can make the most of your time here and will introduce you to the education tools that are available. If you already have ACLS experience or if you're short on time and need a focused cram, use the 4 FAST links near the top of the home page to access the most important testing preparation content on the site. For those who are new to ACLS or prefer a guided approach to reviewing all of the ACLS training material, the ACLS Interactive Course Guide can provide this and at the same time provide you with 8 free CEU credits. You can access the Interactive Course Guide at any time from the left navigation on your computer or from the main menu at the top. For those that don't want to use the Interactive Course Guide and don't need the free CEUs, you can study independently using the main navigation found on the left-hand side of the website or the main menu at the top. In this case, print out and use the checklist located in the download library to keep track of your progress. You'll find a link to the download library and other helpful resources in the footer of the website. On the left-hand side, you'll see the main navigation. Just below the top is the Quizzes and Scenarios department. Here, you can take multiple-choice megacode simulations and practice tests that will prepare you for certification and reinforce the content of the American Heart Association ACLS Provider Manual. In this section, you'll also find the ACLS Audio Quiz Series. The Audio Quiz Series provides you with a method of learning ACLS on the go. It challenges you with audio quiz questions and answers and covers every aspect of advanced cardiac life support. Below this is the video department. In this area, you'll find a variety of ACLS videos ranging from general review to real-time megacode simulations. The knowledge base contains specific information regarding all aspects of ACLS, from rhythm interpretation to information about new guideline changes made by the American Heart Association. If you're looking for information on certain topics within ACLS, you can use the search function to quickly find pertinent content contained within the pages of this website. Here at ACLS-ALGORITHMS.COM, it's our desire to help you rapidly learn and master ACLS in a low-stress, highly focused, and entertaining environment.